It's alright. Hush.
This fiery red car was launched back in 2013. Its facelift version came in 2017 and still in 2020 this is one of the top selling and award winning car in Indian market. Today we are going to talk about the Hyundai Grand i10. So talking about design, this car is based on fluidic sculpture design. It gets big hexagonal grille, swift back headlamps, fog lamps with nice chrome detailing, sloping roof line and eye-shaped tail lamps which are nicely melted into the body. This car basically is narrow and is now elongated, so it gives a very dynamic looks. Where else you also get nice 14-inch steel rims, roof rails and electrically operated side mirrors. This car gets 1.2 liter 4-cylinder Kappa VTVT engine which produces 82 horsepower and gives 114 Nm of torque. So now what's different in this engine? So this engine gets low friction timing chain and oil jets to cool down the piston, which improves the refinement and the performance of the car. Talking about interiors, when you get inside the car, you get nice dual tone treatment all over the dashboard. Plus the cabin looks very bright because of the beige treatment. The plastic also feels very premium. The music system provided in this variant gets a 1 GB internal storage, then aux, Bluetooth, USB with a 12-volt charging socket. And the sound system works pretty decent too. The instrumental cluster is also very easy to read, very standard and gives nice look. Steering wheels also get all buttons very ergonomically mounted on it to operate the music system. Ample amount of storage space is provided in the car. Cup holders in the center, then 1 liter door bins. The rear seat of the car, they have redesigned the C-pillar of the car, which makes the cabin more airy and gives a better legroom. Also there is a very good touch. They have provided AC vents and plus 12-volt charging socket along with it. A nice slot has also been provided to place your seat belts. While driving, the cabin is very refined and very quiet. The visibility around the cabin is great. The performance is also punchy. Clutch is on the softer side. The gear shifter is also slick. So driving is very fun in this car. This car is basically designed as per the city roads. So the steering wheel is on the lighter side. Suspension is on the softer side. You get lighter chases. But with all these features on the highway, when you come across a red line, and you are just trying to push, this car struggles a bit, but other than that, on the city roads, this is the best car to buy. The performance is awesome between the third and the fourth gear. It also works perfectly when it's on the low rev and the higher gear. This car can still manage to pull it and get back on the track. So the car today we were testing was the Grand i10 Sports, and I think this was the best variant amongst the Magna, Asta. Provides everything. The cabin cools pretty much well. You get nice USB slots. At the rear also you get AC vents, which Swift still doesn't provide. And at that time this car was between 5 to 6 lakhs. Also now we know why this car is still a award winning and a top selling car.